Hi boys and girls, welcome back to lesson 2 in our module 5 for math, and we are continuing to work on unit fractions, and we're working on partitioning a whole into equal parts and really identifying those equal parts and counting.
May I have your attention?
Sorry about that. We had a little bit of an interruption. So on lesson 2 problem set, make sure you have that out. We're actually going to look at number 1. Even though I don't have that at the top. Number 1 says circle the strips that are folded to make equal parts. Go ahead and do that. And you should have circled the ones that are in equal parts. You should have circled this one and this one. Because if you look at these, this one is larger than the other two. And in this one, the two in the center are larger than the two on the ends. So those are not equal parts and cannot be identified as fractions. Let's look at number 2. And I set up here we're doing 2a dash d, which means we're doing all of them, A, B, C, and D. So number 2, we're filling in the blanks. There are blank equal parts in all. Well, we're going to count the equal parts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 equal parts in all. 2 are shaded, right? Letter B, let's count the equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 equal parts. And how many are shaded? 5. Go ahead and look at letter C. How many equal parts are there in all? Fill it in the blank. There are 7. And how many are shaded? 3. Letter D. How many equal parts in all? 7 again. And 0 are shaded. Let's take a look at number 3. Number 3 says Noah, Pedro, and Sharon share a whole candy bar fairly. Which of your fraction strips from the daily video shows how they each get an equal part? Draw the candy bar below. Then label Sharon's fraction of the candy bar. So if I have a candy bar, it says it's Noah, Pedro, and Sharon. They share it fairly, which means the parts need to be equal as we can make them. So I'm going to make 3 equal parts. Here is Sharon's. If there are 3 equal parts, Sharon gets 1/3, or you could write it like this, 1/3 of, sorry about that, of the candy bar. And there you have it. If you would like to try number 4 on your own, go for it, but you don't have to. You're going to go on and do the homework, number 1, 2A through D. So that's what you're doing on the homework. Make sure you submit your problem set and work hard on your homework. Use the problem set for help if you need it.